to change the unit measure to millimeters instead of inches, so I'm just going to cancel that. And I'm going to go down here to change to millimeters, grams and seconds instead of inch, pounds and seconds. I'm going to go back into the sketch by clicking sketch, edit sketch. I'm just going to go back to my smart dimension here. And you can see here that the unit measure has changed to millimeters. I'm designing, let's say, I think a chest piece in this instance, just to show a simple revolve. So let's do a chest piece that is about 5 centimeters, so 50 millimeters. I'm going to use the spline tool here, but before I do, I'm just going to square off the base before I revolve. So this will give me a nice square base at the bottom. I'm going to press escape to end that chain. Escape. And I'm going to use the spline tool. And then I'm just going to press escape again to end that chain and use the line tool again and just connect these two points. I'm going to zoom in just using the wheel on my mouse here in SolidWorks, and I'm going to press escape so the selection tool comes up, and now I can click and drag these nodes on this spline tool, and that'll give me some control as to how the shape actually looks. Before I revolve it, I can always go back into this sketch even after I've revolved it. That's the wonderful thing about SolidWorks. You can continually edit your sketches even after performing a feature in the Features tab. So let's say I'm happy with that. You'll notice that this shape is all grading. That tells me that this is a valid profile. If you don't have a shaded shape in like that, chances are that maybe one of your points isn't connecting. So you might need to zoom in and have a look to see whether any of those points are not actually joining up. So what I'm going to do now, before I close the sketch, I'm going to click on the Features tab and I'm going to click Revolve Base. If you've already closed your sketch, then you would need to go into your design tree here, and you will need to click on Sketch and Edit Sketch. So left click Sketch, and then you'll get a little box where you can click Edit Sketch and it'll take you into the sketch. Or you can just click Revolve, and it will actually ask you which sketch or plane do you want to revolve on. So I'm just going to click on that Revolve base. It's asking me for an axis of revolution. So that is the straight line that I want to revolve around. And I'm going to revolve 360 degrees because I want it to go all the way around. So I'm just going to click here just to make sure that this is selected. It's already highlighted here, which tells me that it's asking for my axis of revolution now. So I'm just going to click on this straight line, left click here, and you'll notice that it's done its job. It's gone all the way around. Still not happy with how it looks. So what I'll do from here is I'll edit that sketch. So I'll click on this little arrow here, which opens up that revolve feature, and then I'll click on that sketch, and then I'll click edit sketch like I was saying before. And here I can have a look at what I want to do, and I can have a bit of a play in real time, and I can see the preview straight away as to what it is that I want to create here. So I don't know what kind of chess piece I want to make, whether it's a pawn or whatnot. But I mean, I can do some crazy things here like that and just create maybe a queen, or yeah, it's entirely up to you what you want to do here. And to update, you just click OK. To rotate in SolidWorks is the middle mouse button, and you just click and drag. As I mentioned before, zooming in is the middle mouse button, zooming in and out, just like that. Okay.